So I'll be showing you how to install Fortnite on your Nintendo Switch for free. So what you want to do is from the home page, simply go to the Nintendo eShop and then make sure you sign in to that eShop with your user or any user that has a Nintendo account linked to their username or their user account. Now, once you get to the eShop, simply stay on the left hand side and then go up and go to the search function and then type Fortnite. And then once you type Fortnite, just hit the search function and that's going to search for the game Fortnite. And as you can see, I have found Fortnite. Here it is right now, right here, and it's a free download. So just select it and then select free download. And then on this next page, go ahead and select free download once again. Now, once it says thank you, it means the download has begun. You can now just tap on close to get out of here and go back to the home page, from where you'll see the Fortnite tile. And the progress of the download will be seen in this little bar at the bottom here. So just be patient, keep your Nintendo Switch on and connected to the internet, and Fortnite is gonna get downloaded. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.